Hey guys, it's Chris from Imei Gurus. Showing you here we got a N910A At&T Note 4 doing an Imei repair. Go ahead and show you what we got going here. This is the original Imei that we're going to start with. As you know too, there's no root for this. We'll go ahead and we'll show that again one more time. Ends with 00006. Go ahead and show you the model number on this one. As you can see there, N910A At&T Note 4. Just go ahead, show you the process here. As you see, we won't stop the video, so that way you can see that you don't have to require root or anything like that. We don't have to disconnect the cable. There's no super user anywhere on here. A couple more minutes and this will be done. This is a work of Chris Bernardo, Al Bernthorn, Lawrence Cardoza, also known as Okieville, Imei Gurus. Okay, go ahead and write in all the information to the device now. There we go. Phone is done. You'll see too when it reboots that this is a At&T Note 4. The new Imei that we wrote to it will end with 04537. Just gotta wait for this first boot to show the Imei. There you go. 04537. It's the new Imei written without the phone even being disconnected from the cable. Yeah, hit us up anytime. ImeiGurus@gmail.com. Website's going to be coming up soon. ImeiGurus.com if it's not already up. Or you can hit us up on Facebook. Just search for us. ImeiGurus.com. Again, this is Chris signing off. Good work from us here. Let us know if you have any questions. Hit us up for the pricing. Thanks a lot.